Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. We are very excited as we are hosting our Leisure Travel Vans Owners Rally here in beautiful Winkler, Manitoba.
Hashtag LTV Rally. Canadians are friendly people, so they will say hi a lot, and they will want you to feel as welcome as possible.
Our vision is to be a premier company. We're inspired by the freedom to explore and driven by the commitment to growing our community.
We have the Mercedes-Benz seminar, the Ford seminar, Leisure Travel Van seminars, archery, zip lining. We have the best food you can ever imagine eating, plus the world famous Leisure Travel Van factory tours.
The time we're living in today, the community we're growing, people give you priceless memories. People enrich your knowledge. People enrich your experiences. My hope for all of you in making this trek to Winkler has made you richer by the experiences of the rally, the culture of LTV, and the new precious friendships with all the people you meet. Tripoli was established in 1965 by my great-grandfather, P.W. Enns, and his two son-in-laws, Peter Elias and Philip Enns. Almost 57 years later, we continue to build on the foundation that was started by my great-grandfather.
I want to thank everybody for coming to the 2022 Leisure Travel Van Owners Rally. We really appreciate everybody coming from all over Canada and the United States and becoming great friends and joining our Leisure Travel Van community. Had a great time, right? We had the factory tours, we had the seminars from Ford, Truma, Acco Comfort Plus hot water heater seminars, and Mercedes. We had seminars from Leisure Travel Vans, and we had that fantastic ice cream out on the beach, all the beach fires. Great little pop-up shop for Leisure Travel Van clothing, incredible food, archery, and zip lining, so many things to do. On behalf of everyone from Leisure Travel Vans, we want to thank you for coming to the 2022 Owners Rally, and we want to make sure that you have a safe journey on wherever you go. Thanks for coming. Dean from Leisure Travel Vans.